Ever wondered how billionaires like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Elon Musk achieved their incredible success? While smart investments play a role, many credit their success to the books they've read. Join me as we explore the books that have shaped their financial journeys and see how they can transform yours. Books offer a roadmap to financial freedom, providing insights into personal finance, investing, and wealth creation. They allow us to learn from the successes and failures of others, offering valuable lessons that can inform our financial decisions. By reading the right books, we can gain a new perspective on money and wealth, setting us on a path to financial success. One book that profoundly influenced Warren Buffett is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This comprehensive guide to value investing teaches readers how to analyze stocks, bonds, and other investment opportunities. Graham introduces the concept of Mr. Market, an analogy for the stock market's unpredictable behavior, helping investors make informed decisions and avoid emotional pitfalls. Another influential book is Poor Charlie's Almanack by Charlie Munger. This compilation of Munger's speeches and writings offers wisdom on investing, business, and life. A key takeaway is the importance of having a margin of safety in investments, preparing for the unexpected, and protecting oneself from financial shocks. Munger's insights provide practical advice for decision-making and wealth building. The lessons from The Intelligent Investor and Poor Charlie's Almanack are timeless. Understanding Mr. Market's behavior and maintaining a margin of safety can guide investors through the complexities of the financial world. These books offer strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals and build lasting wealth. The power of reading and applying wisdom from books like these cannot be overstated. If you're looking to change your financial future, start by picking up a book. Explore my video on Top 5 Books for Aspiring Entrepreneurs for more recommendations. Share your favorite books in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're reading.